Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix a Chromebook not turning on quickly and easily. First, check if your Chromebook has enough battery by plugging it into the charger and waiting a few minutes. If nothing happens, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart. Next, try a hard reset by pressing refresh and power buttons together for a few seconds. If it still doesn't turn on, disconnect any external devices like USB drives or SD cards and try again. Also, make sure the charger and cable are working properly by testing with another device if possible. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider contacting Chromebook support or taking it to an authorized service center. And now your Chromebook should power on or at least be ready for professional troubleshooting. Subscribe the channel for more videos.